I've been in the circus for many years. It's my first time in South Africa, lovely country. I like the mountain. Thank you for having me. It's a lovely place. I do miss my sausage dog, Wiener Schnitzel, but I will have him coming over very soon. Yeah, I'm sorry, I've given you some time now, but I'm afraid circus doesn't just happen. There's lots of rehearsals to have. I mean, I have my minions working now, but there is much to do. I mean, you will see how they are preparing. We have Maxine, the fairy queen, und Heinrika, the cat lady. And we have super clown Tony. Tony is very well known. He's from
Madagascar.
Madagascar, of course. Yes. Can you see? He's part lemur. There's Peter Chaplin. You can see. He's the long-lost son of Charlie Chaplin. He's been hiding in the southern suburbs. Yes. So you've met the whole gang. I've given you much of my valuable time. I'm afraid we are having a shoot now to prepare for the promotional of the Vaudeville Circus, and I must partake in it.
All right now, come on, folks. Give me a warm hand. We're gonna start it right now. We're gonna do a little swing. Yeah, there we go. Yeah.
Say hi to our camcorder.
My camcorder.
Your camcorder.
Hey.
How's practice going?
I'm learning the advanced jive.
Advanced
Circus.
Vaudeville service.
Service to the community.
Excuse me, what services are you offering at this Vaudeville exactly for 60 Rand?
It's a service to the community to show them how awesome we are. We're doing a jive.
Show us.
Well, we just learned to do something like this.
Wow. Pretty cool. Lots of kicks and flicks. Let's move on to hip bumps. Bryce is one of our choreographers.
So we do it, Paul, we bump hips.
These are our photographers. We've got Aaron and Anton. So Aaron, what are you doing here today? Can you just...
I have no idea.
You have no idea at all, but you're going to do some cool creative things.
I'm doing video stuff.
You're doing video stuff. And Anton, what have we convinced you to do today?
Stuffs.
Camera stuffs. Okay.
Show them how hard it work, yeah? So you're going to go 1, 2. Wonderful. Show us your rod. Show us your rod.
That's related.
This is our fancy array of outfits. Awkward. Some of them you wouldn't want to be seen in outside of ballroom dancing. Some of them are phenomenal.